Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question: x squared plus x power 3 over x equals to 6. Solution. And here we have to copy what we have. We have x squared plus x power 3 over x equals to 6. Then of course here we have common denominator of 1. We shall make cross multiplication to get x squared plus x power 3 will be 6x. Without doing anything right here, we shall factorize x out to get x plus x squared, which is equal to 6x. Right? Then we shall divide x to get x plus x squared, which is equal to 6. And remember, when you use this law, the value of x that you are supposed to get, it is not the value that you are going to get. Here, as you have seen this question elsewhere, you're supposed to get 3 variables, but 3 values of this x. But here we're going to get 2, as we have right here, the highest power, we have 2. Right? This is what we're going to get: x squared plus x, then minus 6 equals to 0. By finding two numbers, we can multiply to get negative 6, and the sum is equal to plus 3 there. X squared, then plus 3x, minus 2x, minus 6 will be 0. And of course, x by factorization, x plus 3, close bracket, then minus 2. And of course here, open bracket of x, then plus 3 will be 0. We shall group like terms: x minus 2 times x plus 3 will be 0. And then x minus 2 will be 0, or x plus 3 will be 0. And of course x here will be a 2, and or x will be negative 3. And of course always we have to check if the answer is correct, because I've given here x squared plus x power 3 over x. This is equal to 6. And of course here by 2 squared plus 2 power 3 over 2 is equals to 6, question mark. And of course you have 4 plus 8 over 2, this is equal to 6. And I have 12 over 2, which is equal to 6. 6 equals to 6, left hand side equals to right hand side. And of course here we shall make this one is correct. What about on negative 3? And of course here we have negative 3 squared, then plus negative 3 power 3 over negative 3 is equals to 6, question mark. You shall get 9, then minus 27 over 3 will be 6, question mark. This is negative 18 over negative 3, which is equal to 6. And of course this is 6, which is equal to 6, and left hand side, which is equal to right hand side. Then this value is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.